is transmitted at the request of the El Reno, Oklahoma Police Department. The El Reno, Oklahoma Police Department is searching for Mabel Lopez. She is an Hispanic female, 8 years old, born December 7th, 2007. Mabel is 4 feet, 5 inches tall, weighs 50 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. Police are looking for Arsenio de Jesus. He is 39-year-old, a Hispanic male, 5 feet, 4 inches tall, weighs 162 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a dark gray 2005 Ford Explorer with an Oklahoma license plate number of 689LHD. The suspect was last heard from in El Reno, Oklahoma. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the El Reno, Oklahoma Police Department at 405-262-2121. News media point of contact is El Reno, Oklahoma Police Department at 405-282-2121. 4 p.m. observation.
Yep. That's a mess. EAS up. He tried abduction emergency to chase. Tried abduction emergency. This was also an off too. This way out here. Yep, there it is. A1. Hopefully, this time we're 4 pounds safe. Hopefully, the pilot is an update. It's probably each one I'll probably get one. So, yep. Missed, yes. Yep, I was at school in this house, man. I don't know if this is was that ever happened now. But you never know what you do. There's a pups. Chase. Yep. Yep. And Amber Alert, this has been issued from Oklahoma. Hopefully, this show will be safe and will be comfortable from his mother and his parents. Just goes to see you. Goodbye. Hopefully have a nice day.